Bigger isn't always better. The effect fast food has on America. Heart attack, cardiac arrest, cardiovascular diseases on the rise. Fast food is very bad for the world, and especially when speaking about America because it has many negative effects like increasing risks for heart diseases, causing mental health problems, and decreasing life expectancy overall. Fast food has changed the society as a whole. People of all ages are choosing to get quick pickup food for a substitution of healthier made meals at much higher rates over the last 30 years than ever. Fast food industry in the United States is estimated in 2021 to be worth around $278.6 billion and has grown 8.9% in 1 year alone. A study done by Healthline stated, in comparison to 40 years ago, the average American family now spends half their food budget on restaurant food, while in 1977, just under 38% of family food budgets were spent eating outside the home. One of the many negative effects of fast food is the resulting increasing risk of heart problems or issues to develop and lead to early cancer or early death. Some types of heart diseases that may evolve are consuming fast food are obesity, strokes, blood sugar spikes, type 2 diabetes, and cardiovascular diseases. Another unfortunate consequence of fast food is it can increase chances of mental distress or health problems like depression and anxiety. An article by Science Daily stated, the study found that nearly 17% of California adults are likely to suffer from mental illness, while 13.2% are with moderate psychological distress and 3.7% with severe psychological distress. Some more studies have shown that about 1 out of 3 Americans are eating fast food or junk food on each day. To put that in perspective, that's roughly 85 million people. Americans choose fast food over healthier made meals because it's a much cheaper option, saves time for customers, and it tastes just as good as a regular meal. Another negative consequence of consuming fast food over time is it can cause a decrease of overall life expectancy. In a New York Times article, a study stated, the study found that for every 10% increase in ultra-processed food consumption, there was a 14% increase in the risk of death for a human. That's a lot. Fast food can also cause your bones and bone structure to become weakened by all the sugars and carbs in processed food, leading to higher chances of breaking bones and complications. When talking about the effects of processed food on bone density and makeup, the age group at most risk is developing children because it can lead to poor development of bone structures overall. That's quite worrying because in a study done by the CDC, they found during 2015 to 2018, over 1/3, 36.3% of children and adolescents consumed fast food on a given day. Overall, fast food has caused America many more problems and concerns than positives. For people consuming with negative effects like increased chances for heart diseases, causing mental health problems, and decreased life expectancy.